Life's been kind of a mess lately, and I think it's been reflecting in my surroundings. I mean, this mess has been here for 6 months. My sister's hula hoop from last year's visit is still on the bathroom floor. IKEA furniture halfway built and left here for I don't even know how long. Still keeping the expired food in the fridge. It's kind of the representation of my mind lately. Cluttered, indecisive, chronically procrastinating, and longing for clarity. Navigating life can get so overwhelming sometimes that I end up not doing anything at all. And then I let the problems pile up. Like this. Yeah. And now that my mom is coming to visit in like 2 weeks, I've got to get this place cleaned up, get myself sorted out, and then organize externally and internally. And I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, but I've got to start somewhere. So I'm just gonna clean. And to make things a little more fun, some Harry Potter.
Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say they were perfectly normal, thank you very much.
Reminds me of the good old times in middle school, back when the only thing we had to sort out in our lives was what pretty pens we wanted to bring to school. My mom's friend gave me my first Harry Potter book back when I was like 10, and I remember loving it so much, but I've donated my book since then, so it's actually quite nostalgic listening to this on Audible, our sponsor. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone is on Audible Plus for a limited time this summer, so if you're interested in giving this a listen, you can try Audible for free for 30 days at audible.com/harrypotter or text Harry Potter to 500-500.
Couldn't know that at this very moment, people meeting in secret all over the country were holding up their glasses and saying in hushed voices, "To Harry Potter, the boy who lived."
Well, there we go. At least we cleared through the section that was blocking the doorway into the room. There was like so much stuff that I had to go through, sort out, but as I was going through it, it slowly got easier and I'm slowly feeling a lot better about everything. Lo and behold, the dreaded closet. So guess when I got the parts for this wardrobe? October! What? I can't even believe it myself, yo. I checked the receipt yesterday. And the reason why I didn't build it was because I didn't have all the parts. And so I procrastinated on getting the parts. And when I finally got the parts, I procrastinated on building it. So now we're here and my mom needs a place to put her clothes. So this is the only reason why I'm back on it. Do I even have all the parts actually? Bruh, if I don't have the parts, then what's the point? Can you guys tell me what the difference is between this picture and this picture? Because do they not look the same? Building the closet was probably the thing I dreaded most. I hate the fact that I have to do all the measuring, drilling, holding up all the pieces by myself. Come on, a one-person job? No thank you. But figuring out the complicated things are always worth it. Because in the end, you grow and have something beautiful you're proud of. Well, here we are. 10 months in the making and we only have this section. I still have some drawers to attach to the wardrobe, some hanging racks, but I realized I don't have the right screws, so I'll have to put them in sometime. I'm so glad I got this up, even if it's just the main frame. It's better than nothing. All this to say, navigating through life is like cleaning a messy home. It's hard to see where you're going or when it'll get better when you're in the thick of it, but bit by bit, action by action, it'll all get a little clearer.